25 wise words of Abu Bakr Ash Siddiq that inspired life. Abu Bakr Ash Siddiq was a friend of the Prophet Muhammad, and through his daughter Aisha, he was also the father-in-law of the Prophet Muhammad. Abu Bakr Ash Siddiq became the first person to openly declare himself a Muslim outside of Muhammad's family. Abu Bakr served as a trusted advisor to the Prophet Muhammad PBUH. During the life of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, he was involved in several campaigns and treaties. He ruled the Rashidun Caliphate from 632 to 634 AD, when he became the first Muslim caliph after the death of the Prophet Muhammad. As caliph, Abu Bakr replaced the political and administrative functions previously carried out by the Prophet Muhammad. He is commonly known as Ash Siddiq, the truthful or justifying. Here are the wise words of Abu Bakr Ash Siddiq taken from Awaken the Greatness Within.com, which inspire you to become a better person in life. 1. Good deeds are protection against the blows of adversity. 2. Taking pain to relieve the pain of others is the true essence of generosity. 3. He should know that his heart is empty of faith when good counsel is of no use to him. 4. When an honorable person acquires knowledge, he humbles himself, and when a legislator acquires knowledge, he becomes proud. 5. Flee from greatness, and greatness will follow you. 6. Beware of pride, because you will return to earth, and your body will be eaten by worms. 7. Life will pass, but death is much nearer. 8. Good behavior is when one needs no reward in return for a good deed. 9. I have been given authority over you, and I am not the best of you. If I do well, help me, and if I made a mistake, correct me. 10. A man who is shy and humble is an extraordinary character, but a woman who is shy and humble is extraordinary. 11. The greatest truth is honesty, and the greatest falsehood is dishonesty. 12. Cursed is the man who dies, but the evil he commits lives on. 13. God bless him who helps his brother. 14. One of the worst sins is one taking one's sins lightly. 15. He who avoids complaining invites happiness. 16. It is a shame that in the morning the birds have to wake up earlier than you. 17. Do not cut down a tree that bears fruit. 18. If a fool is interested in worldly things, that is bad, but if educated people are so attracted, it is even worse. 19. The more knowledge you have, the greater your fear of God. 20. Speaking less is wisdom. Eating less is healthy. Lack of sleep is worship. Lack of socializing is a recipe for safety. 21. Do not follow vain desires, for verily he who is prosperous is protected from lust, greed, and anger. 22. If you want to control others, control yourself first. 23. Loneliness is better than society of bad people. 24. In matters of justice, all should be equal in your eyes. 25. The Lord will help him who moves in the way of the Lord.